the things to hold that up, we'll hold it out there broke.
Okay.
Oh, damn, it's hot. Nothing.
So it's not doing anything. Okay. Yeah, pull it for me.
I'll try. I'm not real strong anymore, honey.
Okay, baby, I got you. It should be up. Okay, that's not good. You may have to hold it while I raise it up to see if that'll work. Yep.
Anything loose?
No, nothing.
My son-in-law had to
Oh, yeah.
jump it off not too long ago, a couple of weeks ago.
Okay, so let's see. I guess I need to get something to...
Here.
You got something for me to hold it
I'm
up
sure
with?
we got something.
You're fine.
How about a rake?
That'll work. We'll do the best we can.
Thank you, honey.
Let's see.
It's old, but I don't want to buy no new car. They need money.
I'm trying to buy one now.
I don't want to.
Okay, so let me tighten that up first for you. Let's do that. Yeah, at any moment I could be wearing 3 hats. I could be the dispatcher, I could be customer service, I could be the technician. Like I do it all.
Well, that's good. That's good. That way you don't have to be replaced.
That's right. All right, so let's see. All right, so that's tight now. All right, let's see what's going on now. Oh yeah, that sun is hot in this corner, huh?
Oh, it is hot right here. I can't understand it. That's why I was going to crank up the car. See if I could get those keys out.
I'm gonna reach in there and get them for you. Don't worry about
I
it.
couldn't get them. I cut my hand doing it.
Yeah, baby, your battery is fine.
Pardon me?
Your battery is fine.
Oh, so we're thinking it's the key?
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna assume. Let me see if I can. You said they're in between the seat and the console, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
I pushed the car all the way up and all the way back. I couldn't get on that.
No, maybe only just for unlocking the door.
What?
It's just used for unlocking the door. It's a spare key for the door. It's your key has.
Got the key out?
Yeah.
Ain't you the one?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, the key is just good for unlocking the door. That's all it is.
Okay. I didn't know that.
I think you're gonna be fine. We need to clean it though. A little corrosion on that, but I mean, you have some battery corrosion. I see this right here. That's on top. That's never good, but I mean, the battery is pretty old, so yeah. I think you're gonna be okay. You want to stop it and turn it off for me? Yeah. Okay, now try and start it again. Yeah, I think you're gonna be okay.
That's good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Last time this happened, I didn't even think about calling roadside assistance. I about had a heart attack. I got my son-in-law over here.
Yeah, you got roadside assistance. Use it. You pay for that.
I didn't realize it though. I've been paying for it.
Yeah,
I didn't really realize to call.
we do all that. We help with the battery, jump start. Well, I'm not gonna say everybody do what I do, but we jump start, we deliver fuel, we change tires, and we unlock car doors. So yeah, we help with a lot of
Glad
stuff.
to know that.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
glad to realize I've got that.
Yes.
But I appreciate it, buddy.
You're welcome.
I really do. Thank you.
You have a good one, all right?